My name is Yihua, Director of ChartNexus since 2007. Now, since 2004, I've already started to trade in the stock market. So, I have been through the China stock market rally in 2006, 2007. I have been through the Lehman Brothers crash 2008. I have been through the oil crisis 2015 and change of government in Malaysia 2018. And I have went through COVID-19. COVID-19. Okay, so therefore, I went through a lot. Now, nothing scare me anymore. Most importantly is you must understand, always be optimistic. G20 nation leader will come and rescue the world. This is what you need to understand. Okay, so along the years, I've contributed articles to the mainstream medias, okay, like the 早报, like the Smart Investor magazine, and so on. Okay, 係啦，we Director of ChartNexus or 卖小小 that one not important. Now, this is the map that I used to show at my preview. Now, I have been traveling to Malaysia since 2017, okay, all the way from Kota Kinabalu to Miri or to Kuching, okay, to Johor, Singapore, Kuala Lumpur, Ipoh, and Georgetown. Every month, fly tour of duty two times, okay, and doing this kind of seminar with everybody. So this is the kind of group size that we are looking at, Traders Club members, okay, and as well as the public seminars. So those of you who maybe have joined me before COVID-19 will remember those times when you see me in action, telling you jokes, sharing with you the charts, right? So I have been flying around now. Thanks to COVID, I no longer need to do it. Now I can do it in Singapore. Okay, I can do it in Singapore and then share with everybody in the cyberspace through the internet. Yes, Henry, I am Singaporean. 我是新加坡公民，职业不分种族。Okay, so if I am from Singapore and I am still able to make money from the Bursa market, it tells you something, right? Knowledge is very important. With the right knowledge, my mother is Malaysian, not me. My mother is Malaysian, my father is Singaporean. I born in Singapore. I served 2 years of NS. Okay, so therefore, with the knowledge, trade knowledge, you can trade any kind of exchange, any kind of instrument that you want. Also, the company needed me to cover the Malaysian market. So since 2017, I've been trading the Malaysia market. Malaysian market. So this is my tour of duty, right? So thanks to COVID, I no longer need to travel. Just present to you from the comforts of my study room at home. How nice, right? So next, I also lead the Traders Club in all these cities. Used to be in all these cities, but right now everybody consolidated and be online as one single unit, one single club. So our Traders Club focus is two things: what stock to buy, and then follow through with the trade life cycle. Okay, trade life cycle. What does trade life cycle means? It means when we identify as a club what stock to buy, we will talk about the strategy to apply on the stock to find the entry, and then write the trend all the way to the reason to exit the stock. That is what I mean trade life cycle. Very, very strong follow-up. Now, this is the typical 5-stage trader progression that a lot of people went through, including myself. So a lot of people are stuck in the first 3 stages. Win, lose, win, lose, win, lose, not going anywhere. Okay, they know how to win, but they don't know how to cut loss. They don't know how to take profit. So therefore, end up losing money back to the stock market. Vicious cycle, we call it. So the only time for you to get out of these 3 stages, this vicious cycle, is to adopt a trading plan. A trading plan is a set of processes, decision-making process that will help you identify what stock to buy, when to buy, and when to sell. And you follow this set of rules to the core, faithfully, with discipline and patience. Okay, patience. So if you want to save time and save money in skipping this vicious cycle, you can adopt a trading plan and use my trading plan. That is my whole objective of showing you this slide. So my Bursa Mentorship Program, guys, okay, my Bursa Mentorship Program covers 3 important pillars. First one will be the fundamental analysis. Like I said many times, understand what stock you are investing in. So therefore, we will learn how to find profitable companies in Bursa, And then at times when there's one particular sector that is hot in play, we want to time our entry into these stocks. Okay, i.e. the construction companies during the Bandar Malaysia and the ECRL line announcement back in 2019 April, i.e. the glove stocks in 2020, and i.e. the technology stocks in December. You name it, I catch all of them. And recently, Air Asia for the post-pandemic play. Okay? Next, using technical analysis, you will learn how to spot buyer in control kind of charts. Today, you get a feel of it. And then how to use multi-time frame analysis, and also another strategy called the smarter way to buy low. Now, sometimes you do not want to chase breakout. You want to be smarter to buy low, right? So this is what we focus in the technical analysis. So using fundamental analysis, you find the company to invest in. Using technical analysis, you try to buy at the best moment, best price. That is what the Bursa Mentorship Program is about. And lastly, this pillar on mentorship, every time if there is a learning opportunity, that means a real situation happening in the stock market, I will broadcast to you so that you will see how the theory works out in real life. No point you learn an old example of 2016, 2017. Oh, this is how the setup is. No, when it break out, you buy. But when it really happened in the market right now, you will be confused because it can take in so many shapes and sizes, forms. Okay, therefore, if I'm there to show you that, hey, this is what we learned, then you will be able to benefit greatly from such learning. Okay, now I will also conduct weekly training webinar for all the members. Okay, all the members on every Monday at 9:20 p.m. 9:20 p.m. is where Monday night is our members night. All of us will come in and then hunt for the stock again and then discuss the entry, discuss the exit. Okay. Daily market commentaries are provided in the Facebook group only for members so that we can exchange news flow, we can exchange the latest economic news, stock market news, company specific news that can help us in our investment. That is where the daily market commentaries are. And it is not just provided by me, it is the whole community coming together to share info so that we make the best decision, investment decision using the latest information. Okay. Next, now this is my method, the earning season method, which I call it ESM, a new term I coined. Okay, so in ESM, you have to pay attention to these 4 months: February, May, August, and November, because these are the earning season timing. Stocks will start to run up or stock will sell on news in these 4 months. So you need to buy the right one in these 4 months. Okay, so let me share with you. In May 2020, this is my rolling profit, $19,749. Ringgit, sorry, ringgit, not dollars. Made up of different stocks. Okay, you can see that time I was trading FP Group, Chrono, MTech, OCN Cash. Give me 5,005 that time. Yeah, revenue, SCGM, Top Glove. I didn't even have what's that stock? Supermax yet. I haven't buy Supermax yet. In May, on 30th of May, I haven't even got into glove stock yet. The only first one was Top Glove, which was giving me 9,009. Okay, so that is for May's earnings. So when May earning comes, that third week comes, we will start to sell into the strength. Okay, and then I have to rebalance and rebuild a portfolio. Okay, so on 3rd of August 2020, you can see my list of group has changed. FP group remains, in comes Hata, which gives me 3,000 ringgit profit. JHM comes in. Kawan, the food company, frozen food company. Okay, me, technology share, OpenSys, and ScopeNet, Supermax now come into the picture. Can you see Supermax? That means between June to August, that was the time I timed my entry into Supermax and buy at the right moment. And Top Glove by that time has already swelled up all the way to 26 ringgit. So I was sitting on the 46,000 profit on Top Glove, and Tiguan at that time was giving me profit as well. So by August earnings, my profit swelled to 76,000 as I readjusted readjusted, rebalance means I start to lock in profit from those stocks that show me weakness. And then I start to buy those companies that I do not have and they are showing me great prospect for the August earnings. Okay, so that is these two earnings months that I want to share with you. Now, strong core support. After you join the mentorship program, you will need very strong support if you are new in trading or if you do not really understand the concept. I will be there to provide hand holding for you. Okay, how does it happen? Firstly, private Facebook page. This is the private Facebook page where it will help you in your continuous learning through training videos and weekly webinars. So you got a lot of opportunities to ask questions. Okay, so I want to show you how the page looks like. Give me a moment. Okay, right here. Okay, so this is the Facebook group only for our members. So this is the guides where the training videos are. Okay, so you can see the first chapter 1, 1.1 all the way to 1.4, 1.5, 1.6 are all on the software. How to use the software to find the stocks, okay, using fundamental and how to operate the software. Then the trading strategy is the video 2 onwards. Okay, volume. Okay, volume is key to our trigger before we get interested in the stock. And then you've got advanced shooting star, smarter way to buy low. Okay, if you don't like to buy breakout, you have so much bad experience from buying breakout. Buying low is one of the way you can do it. So this training will teach you how to buy low, certain criteria to fulfill. And those of you who like to trade breakout, I have a video for you, advanced breakout strategy. Criteria need to satisfy before you take a next breakout trade. Now, you know how to buy, you must know how to sell. So I have got profit taking strategy and sell rule explained right here. And trading portfolio management. Now, this is key to my ESM method. Okay, that means after every earnings season, you have to rebalance. You need to lock in profit. Ayo, so many people, right, fall in love with their stock. Earnings come out already, sell on news, still hanging on tight to the stock. Wrong move, baby. Wrong move. You need to lock in the profit. Hold some, write some. You don't have to, like for example, you got 5 stock. You need to know which are the stock you hang on to, which are the stock you slot in the profit so that you have profit buffer for you to tahan any more decline in the stocks that you own in your portfolio. Okay, and these two videos will tell you how many units should you buy. Okay, you cannot always buy 10,000 units or 10,000 units. Keep buying the same number of units. Your account will grow very slowly. You need to know a method to compound your profit so that your account can grow faster. So these are the formulas right here for you to follow. Okay, so the rest you can come and see lah. Oh, this is a training guide. Remember, these videos are yours to access once you gain access to this Traders Club private page. Discussion is where the daily musings, okay, the discussion that we have every single day will happen. Like for today, 17th of March. So these are all the discussion over here about the stocks. Okay, so you can see, there you go. Okay, whole day we talk about stock. Any news flow, some member will share insights so that we have our what you call that? We have our guidance. Okay, our guidance, our question answered right here. Okay, so this is what happened every day. And also like Tasco now today go up, right? So the conversation started again. And you have got like sometimes people will ask me, member will ask me a specific stock to confirm what they learn, is it correct or not. Okay, you see, so this is where your education will be continuing. Okay, continuing. So that is for the Facebook private page. The next will be the ESP Master Pro software, which is this that I've been using the whole night, the ESP Master Pro software. So this will be yours. So you will learn how to use this software to find the stocks, what to buy, and when to sell. Okay, ESP Master. So remember, having more information will lead to better investment. Okay, for this ESP Master Pro. And you have got this learning broadcast, which I have shown you earlier, right here, the learning broadcast. This will be in your mobile app. So you need to download our ChartNexus mobile app and it will send the alerts to you. Okay, when I do a broadcast like on Air Asia, and then I have got multi-time frame analysis. Then when I see this Anju coming down, this is a great opportunity to learn how to use the trailing stop. okay, and you have got how to use the V3 alert, so on. See, every other day, if there is a great learning lesson to be learned, you'll be sure that it will be broadcasted here so that everybody benefit from it. All right, so that is for the communicator learning broadcast. And the fourth item will be the Telegram alerts. Now, this is something very new. You are now able to receive our default trading strategy notification as well as the user customized stock alert. Therefore, you will never miss another trade. This Telegram, I think everybody have, right? You just install into your mobile phone, and then you come here, you click on this Telegram, and you click proceed to link your Telegram in your ESP Master Pro to the Telegram on your mobile phone, and you will see the alerts happening like this. Okay, so this is Wednesday today's alert. So you can see Tasco 9:30 a.m. highlight notified me Tasco meet my volume criteria. You got Pardini. Just now I saw someone ask about Pardini, right? Pardini trigger our Trend Master V3 Plus strategy. Okay, revenue. That's how I was I mean that's how I got alerted to this stock. Okay, I don't need to sit in front of the computer if I don't wish to, you know. So I can just go outside, minum kopi, go swimming, go gym. Then when the alert come, go back to the computer and take a look at the chart. If I like what I see, I buy. If I don't like what I see, I wait. Very simple, very straightforward now. Okay, remember this, you have to set it up on your own Telegram in your mobile phone, and the alert is sent to you only. Okay, sent to you only. So it is not a broadcast to everybody, it's sent to you only. So this is something that will going to help you if you always miss trades. So through this Booster Mentorship Program, what we are going to focus on will be what stock to buy, when to exit using the strategy. So every single week, we are going to do this over and over and over and over again. So much so that the more you do, the better you become. Okay, through this mentorship program, 1 year of program. So this is the October 2020. So I think I highlighted 4 months for you, right? You have seen the May, you've seen the August. So this is for the November earnings. As we get closer to the November earnings, stocks already starts to rally, and you see the profit swells up to 91,000. Most of it contributed by COVID plays like Top Glove, Supermax, Scomnet, okay, me. Okay, I have restocked the OCN cash if you realize. So the whole list of stock has changed. Comfort, DNO, D Pharma, FP Group, K Power, Me, Penta. You can see all the stock has changed. Every 3 months, change one time. Very straightforward. Now I show you the latest February. The February 2020 is already over, so I replace it with the February 2021. Okay, so February 2021, I have already squared off all other stock and rebuilt a portfolio of stock. So this list of stock generated 48,900 ringgit. Okay, 48,900 ringgit. List of stock, I can't show here because that time I didn't screenshot it. Okay, so this is the evidence that I shared on the Facebook page. Okay, the Facebook page. So therefore, you can see February 11th of February, just before Chinese New Year, this is the profit made up of all different stocks. Okay, now the results of all other members are also very important. So I have started an initiative to collect the not collect lah, to ask all the members, those of them who wish to share their success story, to come here and share in this particular post called results. So you can see we have got 80 comments. So I just went to scroll down and show you. So those of the member who make profit, you can see that they will start to share screenshot to inspire one another that yes, it can be done. Okay, stick to the process, find a good stock with good earnings, and this is it. Okay, right? So only I make money is not interesting. More interesting is everybody can do it. So with the knowledge that you learn, and then plus the opportunities that you encounter, okay, look, if the opportunities in front of you and you do not have the knowledge to spot them, you will not be able to make money. So therefore, this formula is very important. Knowledge plus opportunities, knowledge meets opportunities is better. Knowledge meets opportunities equals to profit. So these are all the profits in that 3 months. Okay, so remember every 3 months a list of different stocks come into your portfolio as you start to lock in profit and review. So now I am building for my May 2021 portfolio. Okay, so once May comes, I hope I can show you that it is repeatable. More importantly, it is repeatable. Then come August 2021 and then November 2021.